Hi guys, Inktober time. Next one is called Red. I'm going to be inspired by red. Did you see that? Red. I picked two tiles. Not sure which one I'm going to use yet. That are sort of I think this one. Because none of my tiles really had any red on them. So I'm going to pick some tiles that have more white space so I can add some red. I'm going to draw in red. I'm just going to do like I did with that first one with Aura, and I'm just going to kind of Aura these shapes, and then I'm going to come back in with my red color pencils, watercolor pencils, and do a wash of red maybe. I feel rather inspired by, it looks a lot like a Peter Draws sort of drawing. Has no rhyme or reason to it. It just is. It's just living in this space. watched I'm doing a little thing, Creative Well-Being Summit or Lifebook Summit or something like that. It's a sort of like a little mini preview of a course called Lifebook 2019, and Cinnamon Cooney did a presentation, a little video on something called synesthesia, where she put music on and then just drew what she heard. I don't have music on, but this reminds me kind of like that, where I'm just letting the colors and my lines just kind of do whatever they feel like they're going to do. And there's no like rhyme or reason to what's happening here. It's just how I'm feeling right at this moment. There is no real logic to it. It's just sort of letting my subconscious mind just kind of go. I think I'm done with the drawing part. I just want to put some red on here, and I think I'm done. I'm feeling I'm just letting it feel. I'm not thinking so hard. And I'm going to do a lovely wash of water here so that the ink will the watercolor will just kind of spread and do its thing. Who knows what it's going to do, because it's got this other paint on there. I'm just going to use some of my Derwent watercolor pencils to just get a variety of different red colors and just let them kind of just be. Makes an unattractive color there. Kind of made it brown, but that's all right. Let's do this in here. Just playing with my pencils. Alright, I think I'm done. Now I've got some reds on there. Happy with that. It's just, you never know what I'm going to do. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know what I'm doing while I'm doing it. So, you know, I get what I get. Definitely looks sort of Peter's Draws-like. Sort of influenced by that. Alright, you guys have a great day. I'm going to go take a break, have something to eat maybe, and I will be back. See you later. Bye-bye.